guys, welcome back to Rumah Bocil. Today the Bocil are going to an amazing place that is University of New South Wales, located in Kensington in the state of New South Wales. The University of New South Wales, UNSW Sydney, is a leading public university located in Kensington, about 7 kilometers from Sydney's city centre. Its main campus covers around 38 hectares, blending modern academic buildings with wide green spaces in the middle of a dense urban environment. UNSW operates several campuses, with the main campus in Kensington, an art and design campus in Paddington, a learning hub in Sydney CBD, and UNSW Canberra at the Australian Defence Force Academy. These campuses support teaching, research, and a strong connection with industry and government. In the QS World University Rankings, UNSW is ranked 20th globally and is regarded as one of the top 2 universities in Australia. This university is structured into 7 faculties and over 400 academic programs across engineering, science, medicine, business, law, arts, and design. UNSW provides comprehensive facilities to support students' life and learning. These include modern libraries and study spaces, both indoor and outdoor, research laboratories, lecture theaters, student accommodation, cafes, restaurants and retail outlets, sports and fitness center, health and well-being services, multi-faith and prayer rooms, student clubs and societies, as well as large green lawns and communal spaces that encourage social interaction. With nearly 46% international students from more than 90 countries, UNSW offers a truly global campus experience where academic excellence, urban living, and green spaces come together seamlessly in the heart of Sydney. In 1949, UNSW was founded as the New South Wales University of Technology, supporting Australia's post-war industrial and technological development. 1952, the first students commenced their studies. 1958, UNSW relocated to its permanent Kensington campus, which remains the main campus today. 1959, the institution was renamed the University of New South Wales, UNSW, reflecting its expansion into a comprehensive research university. 1960 until 1980s, UNSW expanded rapidly, adding new faculties and strengthening its national research profile. 1990s, UNSW Canberra at the Australian Defence Force Academy, ADFA, was established, extending UNSW's role in defense education and research. 2014, the UNSW Arts and Design campus in Paddington officially joined UNSW. 2019, UNSW introduced the hex-semester academic system, replacing the traditional 2-semester model with 3 terms per year, allowing students greater flexibility, faster degree progression, more focused courses, and additional opportunities for internship, exchange, or intensive study blocks. 2020s, UNSW consistently ranked among the world's top 20 universities, reinforcing its position as one of Australia's leading and most globally connected institutions. Stepping into this place for the first time, I was amazed by how historic buildings still exist in a modern world. This time, I came here just to pick up some souvenirs at the great shop inside the campus. Sadly, the shop was closed when I got there since it's a campus holiday. That means souvenirs are only available online for now. So, we decided to keep going and explore the rest of the campus. One thing that really surprised me was how disability-friendly this campus is. There are special accessible paths that connect different floors inside the buildings. It's honestly an amazing innovation. Because it's a holiday, the campus feels really quiet with only a few visitors around. There's a really cool area in the campus with a row of shady trees where students hang out, study, or work on projects. Tall buildings surround it, and it's also perfect for little kids to run around between the trees. This is a perfect example of how knowledge and nature come together to create a natural ecosystem that supports learning, good management, and overall well-being. Now, we're walking along the main road on campus. Only pedestrians and cyclists can use it. Cars aren't allowed. On both sides, tall buildings mixed with rows of shady, green trees, creating a really nice atmosphere. On this main road, you'll also find a wide open field where students often play sports and stay active. Walking along this road, you can see how knowledge and nature work together to create a thriving environment. It proves that wise knowledge helps nurture nature and live in harmony with it. You'll also find a bike parking area along this road, available for visitors, students, and staff. Walking through this campus, you can really see how knowledge and nature come together. Tall buildings stand alongside shady trees and green shrubs, creating a balance between architecture and living space. These green areas provide habitats for birds, insects, and other small creatures, while students study and relax under the trees. It's a place where learning and nature coexist, showing how thoughtful design can nurture both education and the environment. In our way home, we made a quick stop at Warung Bakso Barokah, a popular Indonesian spot famous for its bakso in Surrey Hills. You could say it's the only place around serving bakso, a famous traditional Indonesian dish. This is bakso, one of Indonesia's most popular traditional dishes. The meatballs come with noodles, hot broth, tofu, and fried treats. It tastes amazing and is so comforting. That's all for today's adventure. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.